Welcome back, traders. In this session, we are diving into one of the most insightful tools used by professional traders, and that is the Wyckoff Indicator. All right. All right. Now, based on the classic Wyckoff method, this tool helps you track what the smart money is doing and how they manipulate price to trap retail traders before making major moves. Let us break down how the Wyckoff Indicator works. At its core, the Wyckoff Indicator helps you visualize market phases such as accumulation, markup, distribution, and markdown. All right. Just trying to see if we have another Wyckoff indicator giving us more detailed information. Okay. Now, in the accumulation phase, institutions are buying quietly while the market moves sideways. The Wyckoff indicator will show low volatility with increasing volume on upward move. So this is your first clue that smart money is positioning itself. Once accumulation is complete, the markup phase will begin. And price breaks out of the range with rising volume and higher highs. This is where trends begins. And traders using the Wyckoff indicator can spot this early and align their positions with the smart money. Okay. Meanwhile, let me just add this is not the one I'm looking for. Okay, well, when the distribution phase comes in, remember that accumulation is a phase where institutions usually are stacking up their trades, right? Buying quietly while the market moves sideways. All right. Then once accumulation is complete, the markup phase begins. Price breaks out of the range with rising volume. All right. You can see there was an increase in volume around here. So this is where trend begins, and traders using the Wyckoff indicator can be able to get some information. You can see this spring. This is a Wyckoff detector, and then you can see that there was a sign to get into a buy trade around here. Now, the distribution phase is where institutions offload positions to retail traders. Price might still rise, but volume starts to decrease. Volume starts to decrease and moves become erratic. The Wyckoff indicator can flag this by showing, giving you hints as to possible. For example, if you are in a buy trade, after this sign had appeared from if you are using the Wyckoff detector, then you can consider exiting your buy trade. If you had entered, say, around here, this would have been a place to exit if you wanted to play safe, right? If you wanted to play safe. But as the momentum was still increasing, you can be trailing your stop loss, all right? Trailing your stop loss until price hits a major resistance. Make sure that you always confirm your volumes with confirm your trades with volumes. All right. Then the markup phase is where the trend reverses and price starts falling rapidly. Price starts falling rapidly. Most retail traders get caught off guard here. All right. So that's why you have to exercise caution. Okay. Remember that during accumulation, rising volume on up candles is bullish. During distribution, rising volume on down moves is a warning sign. All right. Draw your support and resistance zones around accumulation and distribution ranges. These levels become critical entry and exit points once the breakout or breakdown begins. Okay. Now, you can enter during breakouts. For example, you can see this breakout, this consolidation zone, right? This is the consolidation zone that we had around here, right? You can actually enter during breakouts from accumulation ranges and place your stops below the structure. Then for distribution, consider exiting longs and watching for breakouts to enter short. Okay. One of the biggest mistakes that traders make sometimes is jumping into a breakout late. All right, a breakout move. If you notice that a breakout has already taken place and price has already gone ahead of you, it's better to stay out than to enter late. Imagine if you had entered a buy around here and you are anticipating further significant upsides only for the price to begin reversing against you. So you should exercise caution. All right. If this breakdown helped you in any way, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notification bell so you don't miss the next strategy that can transform your trading mindset. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Happy trading.